earthquake, 3.5 on the Richter scale, 3.0 kilometers north of Piedmont, California, just like yesterday. Has the time at 2:11:07 UTC, and if you press the shake map, basically, which tells us, at least in theory, where it was felt, right here. This interactive map there. First of all, let's take a look at the interactive map. Okay. There it is. And the intensity. Now, if we go back, well, first of all, zoom in a little bit more, get a better idea of its location. And that it had a sphere of, I will call, shake influence that extends all the way to Belmont and Millbrae, San Francisco, south of San Francisco. That's down here, okay? And as far north as about Benicia. Not quite hitting Marin County over here, and certainly well over to San Leandro, but not quite Hayward. There it is. Did you feel it? I certainly did. And in terms of time, let's see here. Said it was, I got the time about right. It said 2:11. That's 14:11. I said it was 6:11. So I got the time right about correct. Let's see what the official shake map shows right here. They're shaking, and we're not baking, fortunately, just shaking. But this has happened twice in 24 hours. Twice in 24 hours. Let's scroll down here. Click on that one. Yeah, it will not scroll down. Let's try this. Try this shake map. Let's see if we can pull it up. Nope, it will not. There, okay. Now, let's, if we can, zoom in. Here, we can. All right. There we are. Right here. So there it is, folks. For the second time in as many days. Stay tuned for more.